Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I wanted to do a very easy fall makeup tutorial. I know we're not exactly into fall, but it's, you know, it's September. I'm feeling it. So I wanted to create something really easy, something really simple. This has kind of just been a look that it's my go-to look whenever I don't know what to do and it's fall time. So if you want to see how I got this look and what products I used, please keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is just prime our eyes. I'm using my MAC's Layin Low Paint Pot. I haven't used this in a while, so I'm just gonna grab this today, try to finish it up. Okay, I'm not putting too much. With this stuff, you don't wanna add too much because then your eyeshadow will crease. Okay, so today's palette, I'm gonna go in with this Lime Crime Venus palette. I've had this palette for such a long time. I really, really like it. It's literally just kind of falling apart. So this is what it looks like. And okay, so I think I'm going to go in with Creation, which is this really, really nice burnt orangey color. And I think I'm just going to use a really, really big fluffy brush. And I'm just going to really work this into the crease. No, I don't want that brush. Let's find something else. Okay, we're gonna go in with the Morphe M502 brush and just really work this in. So I'm gonna keep most of the product on the outer portion and just slowly feather it towards the inner portion of my eye. Going in with Muse, I'm using the same fluffy brush. I'm just going to gently buff this onto the lid. Going in with Creation, I'm also going to take a smaller fluffy brush. I'm going to buff this on the lower lash line. And then connect. I'm going to mix a little bit of Muse on the lower lash line also. Taking a smaller brush, I'm just going to clean up any kind of messiness. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this color right here and just kind of just stamp this right into this outer V, just for a little bit of depth. Nothing too crazy or too intense. Just using a little bit will go a really, really long way. So hopefully you can see the difference. I'm going to do a little liner with this Wet n Wild. So I just added my Salon Perfect in 614. Now I'm going in with Hustla Baby from Fenty, using a fluffy brush because I don't want to add too much. But I'm adding this right on my cheekbones. And then I'm also going to highlight my brow bone, inner tear ducts, and my nose. For my blush, I'm using Pleasure Model from MAC. This was limited edition, but I just really, really like this. It's just a really nice, almost burgundy blush. I just think it looks really, really good with these color shadows. All right, so this is a completed look. For my lips, I went in with Morphe's Sugar Pie Lip Liner and Anastasia's Matte Lipstick in Peachy. I really, really like this lipstick. I got this at Marshall's. It was like $8, and it's just so pretty, so perfect. Just it's just so good. So I really, really love this. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this tutorial, this look. Just, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, all product details will be listed down below for you guys just to make it a lot easier. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.